Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. In USD, sorry, New Zealand dollar US dollar. So NZD USD. So we would want to see what markets will be doing this week, and we will want to analyze the overall movements on our New Zealand dollar US dollar. So let's start with the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. We would want to understand the full and the bigger picture of this our New Zealand dollar US dollar. Now let's start with the full bigger picture. You can see that here we are in a downtrend move, which is on our monthly time frame, right? Monthly time frame says we are in a downtrend move. Market has been dropping. So if this is our low on New Zealand dollar US dollar, this is our lower high. Here is also our lower low. Markets eventually give us a lower high here. Markets then drop again and give us a lower low. This is our lower high. So in the long run, we should be expecting market to drop and give us a new lower low. So in the long run, we'll be expecting more sell to the downside on our New Zealand dollar US dollar. But when you take a look at this movement right now, what market is currently doing, you will see something. Market is dropping here, go back here, drop again. The market is currently pulling back. So we will see with this pullback, meaning we will be anticipating for some bullish move for some time. So possibly you might want to see it come to a level of 0.5900. So a level of 0.59,000, that should be our level. With that movement, we'll be grabbing about more than 100 pips movement. So that is to tell you that we will still be anticipating some bullish move on our New Zealand dollar US dollar. Now let's go down to the weekly time frame. So with such a movement right here, we can see that market has given us a reversal pattern. At first, it was trending down smoothly, right? It was giving a series of lower low and a lower high, a series of lower low and a lower high. Now it has given us a reversal pattern, which is what? A double bottom. So this is the first touch. Market pushed up. It eventually dropped again to give us our second touch, and market is now pushing up. So with this push up the market is doing, we should expect market to continue to push further up, right? That is why this week we would also be anticipating a bullish move on our New Zealand dollar US dollar. So this is the first week here of bullish move. This is the second week of bullish move. Now this week that we are predicting for on New Zealand dollar, it will be our third week of a bullish move. So we will still be expecting a bullish move on our New Zealand dollar US dollar. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So this is our first impulsive move. Here you can see massive movement. Here is the pullback. We should be expecting another impulsive move, that bullish move. So guys, whatever thing you want to be doing on New Zealand dollar US dollar, you would want to be going long. So this is our forecast. This should be our target for the week, and which is a level of 0.58428. I repeat, our target for the week will be a level of 0.58428. And guess what? We are most likely going to break above it. So markets will most likely going to break above it. So bullish move is what we'll be anticipating for the week on New Zealand dollar US dollar. So subscribe if you have not done that yet, so you will not miss out on any updates.